What's up with it? It's your boy Mcfly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. If this is your first time over here in the land of Mcfly, man, I welcome you. I appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you become a frequent flyer, man. Join the winning team. We out here. We got a current goal set, trying to hit 300 sales by January 1. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I'll give you a couple seconds. Alright, now that that's out the way, man, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. As you can see, we got a box on the landing strip, which is a handy dandy pair of Kyrie Irvings. This was actually my first pair of Kyries that I ever purchased. I wasn't really feeling any of the ones or the twos, but these bad boys I had to cash in on. I did like the Kobe Bryant, Bruce Lee joints, them threes, they were dope, but the fours, man, have really been the one to do it for me. And as I say a lot of times, man, sometimes you see shoes and they just so ugly that they're beautiful. I mean, they're elegantly horrendous. Yeah, that's a thing. And this was that shoe, man. The Kyrie 4 All-Stars. And for those of you who are familiar, and for those of you who are not familiar, we're gonna get you zoomed in for this close-up action. All right, man, we got you locked and loaded for this close-up action. But first things first, man, we're gonna jump into the box. As you already know, that's a PP on that thing, size 14. Retail on these was how much? 120 on the retail. Got that Kyrie box with all the crazy stuff going on here. Top zigzags. Kyrie. Shit, all white paper. Nothing special there. And that's all to it. Right there. But for now, you have a all mesh black and white tie-dyed upper with your I believe fly cable lacing system on that bad boy. That pink Nike check, as well as that pink Kyrie Irving symbol there. All black laces. And what really sold this shoe for me ultimately was the bottom. That bottom is crazy. I would have never thought to put blue and pink together, but I don't know, something about this year, man. These pink shoes been calling me. That's what you got down in there on the inside. Size tag over here. And that one. So yeah, man, when I saw this, it hung around for a while. It didn't sell out or anything, but when I saw it, it was really calling me, man. Like, I had to have it. So I went ahead and went for it. It's got like this kind of satin liner. It's got some great cushioning in it. Like, I don't know if I could hoop in this because I'm not a Kyrie style type of player. Like, I'm not a guard, I'm a post player. For those of y'all who remember what post players are like, because post game's dead in 2018. But yeah, I don't know, but it's pretty comfortable. It fit a little snug, but it wasn't really tight. I went true to size on these. It's not a toe killer or anything. It's a little snug though, I can't lie. But, you know, I've worn these maybe once or twice. You can't really tell though. That bottom is dope. I love that traction. That looks really cool. But yeah, this was a surprisingly comfortable shoe for a basketball shoe. The only thing that I kind of don't like is you see how that midsole is gonna crease up. That's gonna look terrible. over time. I mean, that's gonna look horrendous. These do have Zoom Air though, so that's probably why it's comfortable. You got your Zoom Air units in it. So I thought that was a good touch, but pretty much, man, that's it. I saw it, I liked it, I copped it. That's my motto, man. Y'all gonna hear that a lot more from me coming up, man. See it, like it, buy it. And until next time, it's your boy Mcfly, man. I'll holla at you.
Aydrien made this.